Hey guys, my name is Laura and I'm here with Blanket Safe. I am the owner and founder of Blanket Safe, and today I wanted to discuss how I dilute out our concentrated products. Our concentrated products are typically 1 part soap to 3 parts water. So if you're getting the gallon, it is 1 gallon added with 3 gallons. And then typically I mix it in these awesome aquatainers. I just mixed mine up and I thought to myself, I probably should have made a video of it, but it's pretty simple. So I add 1 part soap with an extra 3 things of water, add it right into this blue container, and that's all I do. I have about 7 of these blue containers with our fleece wash, our ultra wash, our waterproofers, and all different scents. I just kind of go down the line as I want to, and that's what I use. These aquatainers, you can find them on Amazon if you are looking for products that we use all the time. They are on our website at blanketsafe.com on the Things We Can't Live Without page. It has all of our products that we absolutely love and adore. So the concentrates, if you wanted to mix them up in smaller batches, as low as 1 tablespoon of soap, you can go with 1 tablespoon of soap, 3 tablespoons of water. If you want to do it in cup, it's 1 cup of soap, 3 cups of water. If you want to do it in gallon, it's 1 gallon of soap, 3 gallons of water. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. We've tried to make it simple for you, but sometimes we're so busy it just gets overwhelmingly complicated. We'd love to help you. Please subscribe and follow us for more information on safe blanket washing practices. Again, Blanket Safe can be used on any products that can be washed. So dog wear, horse wear, anything that you can wash, you can use Blanket Safe. We look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, please ask us on our website or comment below, and I will definitely get back to you. We'll talk soon, friends. Thanks.